I was sick for the last 10 days, non-stop cough, flu, congestion, and I did literally everything, x-ray, blood test, antibiotic, but nothing really worked. The only thing that truly worked for me was the Happy Gut Rosemary Blend that was suggested by Sonali, and it worked like a miracle. I was literally fine the next day. I started speaking. Due to a heavy congestion, I was not being able to speak, but that really helped. So if you guys are struggling with flu, cough, congestion, you should definitely try it out.